up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Square Bodies and Bow Ties, and it's Chano D here. I'm going to show you a couple scenes of just doing some basic block sanding, and here I'm going to show you some tools that I use to get the job done. So basically I use these blocks for doing my block sanding. They're nice, and you could use this rolls of sandpaper that you can roll on them, and makes it real easy for block sanding. But I use several different sizes of these, and they're really nice. I suggest using them. They're made by Durablock. You could buy a kit on eBay for fairly cheap. But here we go. Here's some scenes of the tailgate. Almost gonna get it done. Here's the tailgate. Done sanded it down with 180. Then I went over it with 220. Gonna throw some primer on it now. But had to go over some low spots with this halftime filler. Now I'll get it in primer and lay several coats on it for the next stage of body work. So basically I use this 2K primer. It's a 4:1 ratio. Make sure you mix your primer up really good. I've been stirring this for about 10 minutes already. I think I got all the nastiness out of it. If you don't stir it good, it stays thick. Good tip is to use one of these. Creates your paint from getting stuck in all the cracks here and making a mess all over your can. Nice tool though. Okay, 4:1 run ratio. Find it on your mixing cup. Put 1 part activator, 1 part reducer. Make sure you stir it up real good. One part activator. One part reducer. That's how you mix it. Now stir it really good before you put it in your spray gun. There it is, finished product. Found one bad spot that I didn't take care of, but I can always go back and redo it.
good to me.
What up, everyone? Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Also, check me out on Instagram at Squarebodies and Bowties K5C10. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe. Thanks.